Greetings my lovelies, join us on today's coastal adventure. We have arrived at the Carlton Hotel. Time to check in and give you guys a quick room tour. Spacious twin room, clean bathroom, perfect location opposite the Winter Garden. Last time I stayed, we were in a room opposite Sea Life. The advantage point, we are at the floor above and currently facing the Wellington Pier. Perfect location to access the pleasure beach. Guys, we are here. I hope you are enjoying the vlog so far. I'm trying to incorporate it as a silent vlog, so basically not trying to be too much in front of the camera, but yeah, this morning was lovely and enjoyed a lovely breakfast as per usual. So we are on the Britannia Pier, and as you can see, this is so nice. It's got a little rooftop dish. If it's raining, doesn't matter. You're also shielded from the wind from this fiberglass, and yeah, so fit for gosh, my legs was going funny. Fit for the day. I'll just turn this way, and yeah, I think I'll do it with this gap over here. So simple number, we're at the seaside, but I've got my countryside type of jacket. It's got the zips here and it's fleecy. On the inside it's got the lovely animal print, and yeah, we've just got this polo neck t-shirt underneath because guys, you know how it is. But jeans, casual wear with the baby pink footwear, and then obviously the backpack, and it's pink and white, lovely compartments, and it is theft proof because all of the major bits and bobs and your money bag and everything is on the back, which goes on your back. Okay, and then tissues, hand creams, all of that kind of stuff, sunglasses and everything else is there. So yeah. Britannia Pier. The last time I was here, I love it. It is for lovers, and it's got that romantic padlock key. And for those who are in love, you write your message and then you lock it. They used to have a bridge in Paris. I believe they still do, whereby you put the padlock for love. And yeah, it's symbolic, and I hope it promotes everlasting union, shall we say. So yeah, we love Britannia Pier and we love Yarmouth. The people are great. Mwah. Okay, let's continue. Guys, believe it or not, I just had a quick dance off with some folks sitting at the edge of the pier. However, I may get copyrighted for the music, so depending on how this goes, you may not get to listen to the music we had to dance off to. I hope I don't get copyrighted. Famous art cinema.
I think they're listening to Mum. I think they're watching Mamma Mia.
No, that sounds like Michael Jackson. I can hear, oh baby, give me one more time. What I can hear.
Yeah, I know. Yes,
I take it that was Michael Jackson.
Yeah. Well, that was 1980. No, 1980. Because that's why he wore the clock. That's why I was
I know, right? Oh, dear. Fancy some pick a mix? No? Guys, it's time for my morning stroll. Whilst I cross over to the beach, we're making a quick stop to visit the Palace of all Palace, Buckingham Palace. Very good for our ecosystem, and yes, it's the Bugs Hotel. This constitutes as a brunch, the late breakfast and lunch combined in one. And you will have been up here for 3 o'clock. Cafe, the one that I said does the breakfast. Oh.